Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to verify your domain in Meta Business Manager. First, log in to your Meta Business Manager account. From the left-hand menu, click Business Settings. Now, scroll down and click on Brand Safety and Suitability. Under this section, click on Domains. Click Add, then choose Create a Domain. Type your domain name, for example, mywebsite.com, and click Add. You'll now see three options to verify your domain: add a meta tag, upload an HTML file, or update DNS-TXT record. In this tutorial, we'll go with upload HTML file. Click Download to save the HTML verification file on your computer. Now, open your website's cPanel and click on File Manager. Go to the Public HTML folder. Upload the HTML file you just downloaded into your Public HTML directory. Once the file is uploaded, go back to your Meta Business Manager tab and click on Verify. After a few seconds, you should see a green check mark. Your domain is successfully verified.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment below with any Meta ads or digital marketing questions. I'll be happy to help.